How to make money with stock photos. I'm a bloody beginner at stock photos as well as at photography. It's about 6 weeks ago that I have started. How does it work so far? Hi, it's so great to have you here. My name is Edda, and in this video I will share my first steps and experience selling stock photos. Making money with stock photos is part of my experiment, how to become rich in 10 years. It's described in this video up here, and you also will find a link in the description below. Searching YouTube for possibilities to make money online, I came across a video saying something like, just take your phone, take some cool pictures, edit them, upload them to those stock photo platforms and wait for getting some money. I have loved this idea instantly because I could start right away. I have lots of pictures which are not too personal, and I would appreciate other people to use them, paying me a little bit of money. After a little research, I decided to start on Shutterstock because most people seem to make most of their stock photo income there. I went through my pictures and selected about 100 of them. My idea was to provide about 100 pictures, waiting 2 or 3 months and see if I could sell some. That was pretty fun because going through my pictures woke up many memories of vacation and present moments. Uploading the pictures took some time. For each picture you have to insert a title of at least 5 words. For a lot of pictures that is pretty easy, but for some, well, it's a sunset, so what else to say? Then you have to select at least one category from a drop-down box. The location is optional, but you are required to insert at least 7 keywords. Shutterstock will suggest some keywords. Often they are helpful, sometimes they aren't at all. The title and the keywords are extremely important because the pictures won't sell if they cannot be found. Some say even the order of the keywords is important. I'm not sure if that is true. In Shutterstock, the order of keywords is last in, first keyword. And I didn't find a way to change the order of keywords in Shutterstock. So if you would like to have the keywords in a particular order, you would have to find your keywords first and put them in the right order and then insert them to Shutterstock. After getting a headed to find titles and keywords for about a dozen pictures, I just wanted to get it in and I became lazy. Later that paid off. Unfortunately, after uploading the pictures, they aren't immediately offered to be sold. Shutterstock has to approve them or it will reject them. The result was disillusioning. One picture after another has been rejected because of blur or noise and so on. Finally, I was very happy that at least 2 of them have been accepted. I don't know why, maybe because of the 2 accepted ones. I got into the mood now more than ever. I wanted to get more pictures accepted. After all, 2 pictures aren't enough to find out if I can sell any pictures at all or not. The next 3 days I was busy to reduce blur and noise from my photos and re-uploading. Each time I had to add the title, the keywords, the category and location anew. But I found for me it is more effective to add lazy titles and keywords first. After pictures are accepted, I take time and effort for improving them. But watch out, Shutterstock does not allow to change the location in the accepted state anymore. Besides, I use Gimp to edit photos. It is free and the link is in the description below. At the end of those 3 days, 25 pictures have been accepted. By now my knowledge about photography and pimping up pictures has increased a lot. But even so, I'm still a bloody beginner. I have watched hours of YouTube videos to find out how to reduce blur and noise. One suggestion is to take photos in RAW mode because they contain much more information than JPEG pictures. I'm using a Galaxy S8 Plus smartphone, and there's the possibility to take pictures in Pro mode. And in Pro mode it is possible to take pictures in RAW mode. Gimp cannot import RAW photos, so I have to use it now in combination with RAW therapy. It is also free and the link is also in the description. Then I have thought it might be a good idea to upload the accepted photos to Adobe Stock too. It turned out that Adobe Stock is even more strict with the quality of pictures and rejected some. Shutterstock explains more in detail why pictures are rejected. Of course, that helps to improve. Shutterstock also provides a lot of help and inspiration for their sellers. But in this point, I prefer Adobe Stock. I like to look up scenes, title and keywords from Adobe Stock weekly analysis of bestsellers. Inspired by Adobe Analysis, I came up with some ideas for Eastern in time of Corona. 3 pictures have been accepted by Shutterstock, and luckily enough, including my favorite one. But I have to admit, this time I did not spend so much time re-editing and retrying with the other ones. At this point, my euphoria making money with stock photos decreased a little bit. Also because I have been busy with YouTube videos, I didn't even look at the platform for about a week or so. So I have been very surprised when I checked the platform in order to prepare for this video that I have sold my favorite Eastern pick. It's about 1 cent an hour. So by now I have made 75 cents by selling stock photos. What is my conclusion so far? I think for me it has paid off in experience and learning. Yes, even as a bloody beginner at photography, you can sell stock photos if your photos show motifs what people are looking for. Besides, the picture I have sold was taken with my smartphone. So if you are a skilled photographer and maybe you do even enjoy titling and keywording your photos, I think that's a fun way to make some money for you. What about myself? I will definitely continue to try, but I will take it a little bit easier than in my first euphoria. Please, if you have any ideas of motifs that might sell, leave them in the comment and I will try to make them real. In case you are looking for stock photos, please let me know what kind of stock photos you are looking for. If I can take acceptable photos for you, I would offer them to you for free. If you are interested in stock photos, please use the link below to register at Shutterstock. For you, it won't make any difference if you use this link or just a normal link to register at Shutterstock, because it would generate me a little provision. If you are interested in making money not only with stock photos but in general, this channel is for you. And here you find a short intro for this channel. If you have liked the video, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell and like the video. If you did not like the video, please leave a comment what I could improve, and even so, please subscribe, hit the bell and like the video. See you soon and have a wonderful day.